This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Create a bot account and copy its token because you need authentication. Then invite it with manage roles and send messages permissions. Once done, open server settings, create the roles you'll assign, and make sure those roles sit below the bot's highest role in the hierarchy. You're not waiting, you're positioning authority so the bot can manage roles. Next, keep the token handy and choose whether you'll use a hosted script, a bot framework, or a no-code automation tool. Now you implement the auto-role logic. You choose the trigger, on member join, a specific command, reaction add, or a scheduled check. Pick whatever fits your flow. Then use a library like Discord, Pi or Discord, JS, or configure a bot service such as MEE6 or Zapier. Next, write the handler to fetch the role by ID, call add role or roles. Add and include error handling for permissions and rate limits. Finally, send a concise welcome and log the assignment to a moderation channel so actions are auditable. To finish, deploy your bot and run a full test using a test account so you don't disrupt members. Verify the role is added, the welcome message appears, and the bot respects hierarchy. If it fails, check logs for permission denied or rate limit errors. Make sure the bot's role is above the target role and the token has correct scopes. If problems persist, implement retries with exponential backoff, re-invite the bot with updated permissions, and retest until consistent. That single troubleshooting tip: always inspect the bot's role position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.